Okay, we're back here. This is hive number 107, the double deep 8. We're going to go into it, see if it was a swarm. It's another one we hadn't been into for a while. We're going to set it over here. Make sure we can get both of them in there. Move you over just a little bit. Yep, I think that'll do it. Okay, this is a 10 frame box here. This is our feeder ring that's kind of big. That's what I had. I quit running 10 frames a long time ago. Their food dish is empty. Okay, this is one that's got nectar on it. And I'll show you how hot it's been getting. Okay, see all this up here? That's where this down here got hot with the weather, and it fell down. But that's okay, they will build it back when they think it's a good thing to do. This one has nectar, little honey. Same thing on that side, a lot of nectar, little honey. This one, little brood. This one got some brood, some larvae, some eggs, some nectar. Side over here has the same thing, so we're going to assume that there's a queen in there, or was. But with the larvae being that big, you know, it's a few days old, so she could have done trimmed down and took out flying, left her brood. This one has brood, some nectar, we got eggs. So we're going to say there's a queen in here. Same thing, a lot of eggs. This is brood over here, and this is all the eggs in here on both sides. And now that swarm could have been a swarm from somewhere else. Somebody else's hives or the woods, or this one here has eggs and larvae, little nectar. Over here they're festooning and they want to hook out to that. Same thing with that side. Didn't really want to disturb the construction workers over here doing their job. You know what that's like. This one has nectar, little honey, same thing with that one, that's all nectar. This one has some nectar, and we're going to put it, and we'll put it back where it was at. Turn this one back around where it's supposed to be, Sam. There we go. This one has some nectar on it. It has some eggs and larvae. It has some bees, baby bees hatching out. There's a little patch of brood there. These over here kind of scattered. No queen. Next one is just a little one that they're building. This worker. Once they get it built, now they put what they want to on it. This one got nectar in it. Got some nectar and some pollen in it. Okay, so that box is okay. Tin framer. See, down here we've got these down here. Find me something to sit on here. This one here has some nectar, some pollen, a queen cup. Let's see if queen cup's got nothing in it. And that side there's got some pollen on it. It gets hot like that, the nectar quits. Most of the eggs and the laying and everything quits too. This one's got some pollen, some brood. It's got some larvae and eggs in there too. Another queen cup over here. Nothing's in it, nothing's in it. It's laid up with eggs and stuff. Got some little larvae in it. Not much nectar, not much pollen. We got some brood, some pollen, a couple little queen cups with nothing. Communication holes. They'll be doing much better when I give them some food. Yes, you will, girls. You see how calm my bees are? Even with it as hot as it is. It's after 4. So they'll be coming back home. This one here has got some nectar, some pollen, brood. Same thing on that side. You're not looking for queens anymore, too hot. I mean, not just me, but my bees too. Get them all worked up after they come home from work. This one's got some brood, some pollen, a lot of larvae, some eggs, and they're doing all this festooning over here, attaching all that. Hope I cut my camera on. This one's filled up with pollen, brood. They don't have much stores. No queen cells. They'll be okay. Like I say, you put your frames in, you put them in, then you pull them up. You don't just slide them down on the little side things here. Squish stuff. And they squish stuff anyway, but you don't want to try to do it. This was loaded down with brood. Festooning over here on your left. Stick it back in the hive. Like I said, don't like mess with the construction workers. I remember when used to do construction. What we do, the interior trim and the stairways and the windows and the doors and all that stuff. This one has got a little nectar in it. But anyway, by the time we finish up, the superintendent of the construction company, he'd come up, time to quit, go home and go to, finish for the day. He'd come by and want to talk. Got brood, little larvae, no stores. We need to come back and clean the bottom of this one too, I think. This one here. Worker cells, and they've got some nectar in it, so we're not going to mess with it. Actually, they keep the bottom pretty clean. What it is that woofer sheet that I put in there. Let's put it all back the way it was. Here's where Queen Cup was, but you don't think this is the one either. Okay, so we're going to give them some pollen. Yep. Like I said, the only pollen they say we got now is grass. And they can't get all the vitamins for their babies with just grass. See that one right there? Now what she's doing is getting the salt off my sweat. Bees need salt too, y'all. We keep little pallets of salt in the dirt so the bees can go get it. So they need salt. Probably could get another ring. Cut these down. As soon as I cut one down though, I'm going to need it for a honey super. Put that there. Give it some peppermint candy. Like I said, I don't know if it works or not, but now this one I didn't see any beetles in. I see a lot less in the little ones if I'm using these. Got a few robbers coming in. Flotation in there, and I'm not going to put the top on because I'm going to go get them some more food. But that's it for this one, y'all. We're going to this one next. Yep, about 108. Y'all share, give us a comment, thumbs up. Subscribe, be nice, be happy, and we'll talk with y'all later. Y'all have a wonderful one. Bye.